everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. It's been 2 years of trying out recipes and posting them on this very channel. I had lots of fun making these recipes. Thank you for your love and support. And today I'll be making the best eggless crinkle top brownies. So let's get into it. Let's start by chopping our chocolate. Make sure to chop it evenly. Next goes in the butter. Now I'll melt it in the microwave, stopping every 20 seconds. Now I'll give it a mix. Now into this I'll add in cocoa powder. Now I'll add in brown sugar. Now I'll add in vanilla. Now I'll sift in the dry ingredients. Flour and baking powder and baking soda. Now into this I'll add in condensed milk. Now I'll add in warm water and our coffee concoction. This is the tin I've lined with 2 pieces of parchment paper with flaps around it so that we can take it out later. This is very important. Now I'll transfer the batter into the tin. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for around 25 minutes. Hear that? It is done! This smells absolutely amazing. I'll let it cool on the counter for about 1 hour. Now it has cooled completely. Let's take it out of the tin. It's time to cut our brownies. Look how fudgy it is. Let's give it a try. This eggless crinkle brownie came out perfect. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.